Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv and today I'm going to show you how to make your DIY magnetic compass. Let's start. Okay, so now we need a big bowl of water, a magnet, a small but strong piece of chart paper, and an unmagnetized needle. Okay, now we just have to take the needle and magnetize it so that the tip of the needle will show north. Now the side shown to us of the magnet is south. So we should magnetize the back side of the needle but not the front so that the tip of the needle points north. Now the best way to magnetize the needle is the stroking method. Now this way is that we have to stroke the needle against the magnet for 30 to 40 times and then the needle will get magnetized. It took me some time to figure out which side of the magnet is south and which side is north. Okay, now the needle is magnetized. Okay, so we just toss the magnet out so it doesn't disturb the needle's magnetic lines. Now we take the needle and put it on the chart paper, and the chart paper along with the needle rotates on its own. So now we just have to fold the chart paper so that it holds the needle in place. Now after a few adjustments, put the needle on it and then put the needle along with the chart paper on the water. Yeah, a bit adjustment, and then as you can see it rotates. Now the tip of the needle is pointing towards north and the other side is pointing towards south. Okay, to compare with a DIY compass, I took a real phone compass. Yes, as you can see, the phone's compass is pointing towards the same direction where our DIY compass is pointing at. So now we know that our magnetic compass is successful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.